Parang naboboard ako ah. Tara. Starbucks. Can I get a ice hazelnut almond chicken espresso for Venti? I'll also get the ham and Swiss croissant. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Okay, mag-ano nga pala, shopping daw. So, bablog ko rin yun. After nito, after natin kumain, we'll be going to do some groceries. Oh, no.
One eternity later.
What's up mga ka-wonders? It's your boy Ian. Ba't ba ako nag-intro ulit? Nag-intro ulit. So ayun nga mga ka-wonders, we're going to do some groceries. Going to ano muna tayo? Sa Costco and then going to Island Pacific. Let's go! May mga bibilhin din kasi ako. Hintayin nyo. Wala nang itlog sa Costco, guys. I repeat, wala nang itlog sa Costco. Isa na lang yung ano. Yung natirang mantika, nagkaubusan na. Pa, nakita ko na yung paborito kong headphones. Beats. So yun guys, magbabayad na kami. Pa mga ka-wonder, that's it for today. That's it for today and pauwi na rin po kami. So yeah, that's it for today and sana nag-enjoy kayo and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Kita-kits ulit sa next video guys. Bye bye.